Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Hannah if you are new here, and if you are, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, stick around. But as you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be a college Halloween vlog, so I'm really just going to show you what college is like during Halloween, and it's pretty crazy. So it's going to be a super fun vlog, and I'm really excited to show you guys this whole weekend. It is currently Friday, October 30th, and right now, me and my friends and my boyfriend are going to the pumpkin patch, and then we're going to carve some pumpkins after. So I'm also going to show you guys that because why not? It's like Halloween stuff. And then tonight and tomorrow we're going out, and I can't wait to show you my costume, getting ready, everything. And yeah, I really hope you guys like this video, and let's just start the day. For the pumpkin patch, I'm just wearing leggings and a little sweater and have my hair clipped back.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause
Hey guys, so we just got back. We went to the pumpkin patch, took some pictures, and then we went to Walmart to get pumpkins, but they didn't have any, so we just didn't carve any. And instead we went to breakfast at Cracker Barrel. It was so good. And now I actually have to finish my costume for tonight. Tonight I'm being a mermaid, so I'll show you guys what I got. So I have this old bra that I don't really wear that much anymore, and it's like a pretty mermaid color. I'm gonna decorate it with some pearls. I got all of this stuff from Michael's basically, and these are perfect because they're like half pearls, so they are in a full circle, so it'll go better. And then I got some sequins. I feel like all these are like mermaid colors. And I got these 3D like gems and some fabric glue to put it on. This is all from Michael's. And these are my seashells from home from the beach, so I'm gonna try to put them on too. I think it's gonna be super cute. And I'm gonna watch Vampire Diaries while I do that, so I'll probably film like a time lapse or something right now. Hey guys, so I'm really stressed because that costume isn't coming together, because I was supposed to decorate this like cute bra top and the glue's just not working. Alright guys, so I just did my makeup and I'm literally obsessed. Okay, so this is like my normal skin makeup, and then for eyeshadow I did green going into turquoise and then like a purple crease. Wearing eyelashes, I forgot to put mascara on my bottom lashes, but I'm gonna do that. And then I just put the colors here. I was trying to do like a fishnet so you could like see it looks like scales. Kinda didn't work out like that, but like I still think it looks good. Now I'm about to curl my hair, and yeah. Hey guys, so happy Halloween. It's October 31st and it's already like 6:40 or something, and I haven't vlogged all day because I haven't been doing anything. I've just been laying in bed preparing myself for going out tonight. Right now I'm trying to do my makeup. I don't know if I'm gonna time lapse because I already time lapsed yesterday, but I'm doing like full makeup, which I don't do that often. I did contour, foundation, concealer. I'm doing everything, and I hope my makeup comes out really good because I'm being a Barbie today. Did I say that? So yeah, I also kind of sucked at vlogging at recess last night. We went to recess. I don't know if I told you. It's like a club here at the pool. It was really hard to vlog, and I forgot. Honestly, it was so hectic. But I'm gonna try to do better tonight. Alright guys, we just finished my makeup. I think it came out super good. Now I have to fix this mess in my hair. I think I'm just gonna straighten it because Barbie has like straight hair usually. And yeah, it's gonna take forever. It's like so knotted. I don't even know how this happened. Alright guys, hair and makeup done. Now it's time to get dressed.
Oh, hey guys! Happy Halloween! And I just took the best pictures of that.
Alright, this is the maid.
Cleaning
That's
lady.
Brienne.
Kim Possible.
Kim Possible.
Harley Quinn.
Harley Quinn. Yeah.
I can't wait to be
Hey guys, so we waited in line for like 3 hours.
And we got nowhere.
Yeah, we're trying to recess.
Who's gonna go in the pool? Not me.
Not me. I love you guys so much. Here's my Ken. Bubbles. Look at all the bubbles.
I like it. That's a cute video.
I just took up vlogging tonight, but we went to like 3 different clubs. The line was so long, we couldn't get in any of them, and it sucked. And then we just didn't do anything, and we went to Bubbles in the fountain, and it was so fun. And we had a good night anyway.